So for today, it says that you're going to write a ratio for ice cream cones to cookies in 3 different ways. Then write a ratio comparison statement for the ratios written. So first, remember, order matters. So first we need to say how many ice cream cones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ice cream cones. Then they have this word, if you ever forget one way, they kind of already ask you, because many times ratios, when they're in word problems, they tell you in this problem one of the ways. They use the word two. So I know I have to say 5, 2. And then how many cookies are there? 1, 2. 2 cookies. Then I can write 5:2, and then 5/2. And then I write my ratio comparison statement, which is my sentence of how I say my ratio. And remember, if you forget, on the first slide, slide 7, it asks you and it gives you an example of one. So we start with a for every, and then you say your first number, 5 ice cream cones. There are 2 cookies. Okay, and then a period. All ratio comparison statement is taking your ratio, writing in a sentence, but you have to make sure you say it as for every blank, there are blank.